Stakeholder register, how to map power versus interest. Quick gut check. On your current project, who has the power to kill it with one sentence? Now, a harder question, who actually cares whether it succeeds? If those are two different people, you have a stakeholder problem. And it's the second most skipped step in project management right after the charter. A stakeholder register does one job. It stops you from treating every stakeholder the same. Let me show you the power interest grid, plot 4 real stakeholders on it, and hand you a register template you can fill in 10 minutes. And the tool that makes that easy is the power/interest grid. 2 questions plotted on 2 axes. Power. Can this person stop or change your project? Interest. Do they actually care about the outcome? Plot everyone on those 2 axes and you get 4 quadrants, each with its own strategy. High power, high interest. Manage closely. These are your VIPs. Talk to them weekly. High power, low interest, and keep satisfied. They can block you, but they're not watching closely. Don't overwhelm them. Low power, high interest. Keep informed. They care but can't change the outcome. A simple update keeps them on side. Low power, low interest. Monitor, light touch. Check in occasionally. Let's plot 4 real people from that customer self-service portal project. The VP of operations, power 5, interest 5. Manage closely. The IT security lead, power 4, interest 2. Keep satisfied. The support team lead, power 2, interest 5. Keep informed. The marketing coordinator, power 1, interest 2. Monitor. 4 people, 4 completely different engagement strategies. And now you know exactly where to spend your time this week, not just who's loudest in the room. Keep these fields handy before your next kickoff. You don't have to score this by hand either. Give Claude your stakeholder list with their roles and ask it to score power and interest and sort them into the 4 quadrants. You'll still make the final judgment calls on the scoring, but you skip the blank spreadsheet. This is your final representation from AI. So before you send one more status update to everyone on your list, know who's actually watching and who's just along for the ride.
In the next video, how to build the business case that gets a project approved in the first place. Because before you map stakeholders, someone has to say yes to the project existing.